Model, 2018 Ford Transit Custom 272.0 TDCI needs engine repair Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 217,305. MOT, the 9th of September 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 105 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, turns over but bottom-end bearings are knocking. Engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, 2 keys, electric windows. Euro status, Euro 6. HPI, clear.